Welcome to all of you. This is Vasanti from Department of Human Resource Management, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Madurai. Today's topic is on model of managerial dimensions. Professor Henry Mintzberg in the early 1970s has given a new dimension to managers' roles and responsibilities. Managers play a vital, important role in promoting healthy relationships at workplace. A manager's job is very crucial to an organization. He is planner, coordinator, producer, and marketer. The success of an organization depends upon the caliber of the manager in utilizing the resources for achieving the business goals. A role is an organized set of behavior that are identified with a specific position. Executives use role status to facilitate interpersonal relationships with superiors, subordinates, peers, and individuals outside but connected within the organization. Let us see the role of a manager. The first and the foremost is interpersonal role. A figurehead is a necessary role for a manager who wants to inspire people within the organization and to feel connected to all. He is also connects the institution with the employees and is a key figure to support the policies and decisions made on behalf of the organization. The success of an organization depends upon the caliber of the manager in utilizing the resources for achieving business goals. With an economy that runs 24 bar 7 and 365 days, multiple chains of command, numerous projects, and frequently changing technology makes a manager figurehead in an organization. Management principles and practices visualize manager as leaders. A manager has to be direct and motivate persons working in the organization. He will provide leaderships to subordinate. Networking is the art of building alliances, is a critical skill for all employees at all levels and in all jobs. Much of the success of any endeavor, be it personal or professional, is attributed to relationships. The most productive relationships are always the positive ones. If one wants to be popular, he has to have a wide circle of friends and acquaintances. If an organization or a team wants to achieve its goals, it has to foster a strong and solid bond among its members. The building relationships and subsequently nurturing them on a constant basis. These are the challenges that everyone must overcome if they want to attain their goals. Business and social functions are quintessential venues for networking to take place. Let's see managers' informational role. Managers have an obligation to their company to monitor the activities of their employees and to ensure compliances with applicable laws and policies. Managers have to monitor the work activities of their team. A good manager will always monitor what their employees are doing but will not intervene to micromanage or coach their employees except in specific circumstances. Disseminator is one of the 10 managerial roles identified by organizational researcher Henry Mintzberg based on the observation research of CEOs, middle managers, supervisors. Managers represent and speak for their organization. In this role, information flow is healthy, well functioning organizations have a predictable pattern. A great spokesman is an essential for most businesses at some point of their corporate growth, especially when building a profile and a reputation. Professional spokesmen put the face of the organization to connect with target audience on a personal level while communicating a branded message. This person should be well trained and well spoken, quick thinking, and thoroughly understands the ins and outs of the business. A spokesperson represents a company or brand in public, delivering messages to consumers and audience to promote, build, and to maintain the brand's position. Sees manager in decisional role. The role involves responding to their high pressure disturbances. For example, manager must resolve conflicts among subordinates or between manager's department and other departments. He has to tackle the problems created by others such as strikes, input shortages, false advertising or violation copyright. As a disturbance handler, the manager handles difficult problems and non-routine situations such as strikes, energy shortages, etc. As a resource allocator, the manager decides how to resources are distributed and with whom he will work most closely. He will determine where organization resources are best applied. This involves allocating funding as well as assigning staff and other organizational resources. In their resource allocator role, the manager makes decisions about how to allocate people, budget, equipment, time, and other resources to attain desired outcomes. The resource allocator role entails the prioritization and allocation of scarce resources in response to the many demands on those resources. Managers negotiate daily. Most of their negotiations are informal conversations with their staff, co workers, and customers. Depending on their effect on the organization, most negotiations is done by top and middle level managers. Top managers will handle negotiations and that affect the entire organization, such as union contracts and trade agreements. Middle level managers negotiate most salary and hiring decisions. And to conclude my presentation, I would like to summarize managers' jobs is never static. It is always dynamic. At any given time, a manager may carry out some combination of these roles in varying degrees. Throughout an individual's working life, a person may hold various management positions that call upon different roles. No one person can be all things to all people. While these roles are highly useful in framing organizational leadership, it is not expected of one person to fill each role in a large organization is very impractical. Instead, Astitude hiring managers will hire people with one or two specific roles in mind, thereby creating a team of managers capable of handling the wide variety of challenges in the business world today. Thank you.